Hey Ollama fans, you can run it from your phone now. The first command is to install some prerequisite packages, so run pkg install git, golang, cmake, and clang because those are the 4 packages you need to start off with. Next, clone the git repository by typing git clone followed by the address for the repository. After that, cd into the Ollama directory. Next, type go generate /.. I ran into an error at this point where gzip was not able to run a flag called best. It's because I had a lightweight version of gzip built into Termux and I had to install the GNU gzip. So here's a separate set of instructions just to install the GNU version of gzip and make sure it's accessible through path. Now run the go generate command again, then move on to the next one. After that, type go build dot. Next, for a little bit of general housekeeping, change the permissions on the go directory that's in your root, and then you're going to remove that directory. Next, cd back to your home directory, and now you're going to copy the Ollama binary to the directory that is in the path environment variable. Now run the Ollama serve command followed by an ampersand because that's going to make sure that the Ollama server is running in the background. Once you're back at the command line, you can now download a model by Ollama pull, then the name of the model. First, I'm going to start with trying Microsoft Phi and see if that works. Now I'll load the model that I just downloaded by typing Ollama run Phi. I'm getting an error that my Android does not have enough system memory. It requires 4.6 gigabytes available and I have 4. My phone's slightly older. If you have a newer phone with more system memory, this should work. Phi is actually a really good model to run from the phone. My friend Albi13 over at X already did tests and is really into researching and providing information about some of the bigger frontier models. If that's also something you're interested in, I recommend giving my friend Albi13 a follow on X. Now I'm going to try a smaller model that's only 1.5 billion parameters. That's Tiny Llama. It's a model that's made to be trained on 1 trillion parameters, but only run at 1.5 billion parameters after it's trained, and that it's really fast. Now that that's downloaded and installed, I'm going to tell it, write a report about open source AI, and we'll see what it does. It looks like this is really cohesive text and it can handle a fair amount of text for a small number of parameters. And this is what I'm getting at in this video. These tiny models are getting better and better and doing more and more with a modest amount of resources. That's it. You're good to go. You got Ollama on your phone now. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, follow me on X at Vectro. See you around.